These are the products I purchased from Nykaa. In today's video, I have a huge Nykaa haul for you guys. So I purchased a lot of makeup products from Nykaa. Most of the products are newly launched, so I'm gonna share it with you guys in today's video. Let's start with e.l.f. products. e.l.f. recently came out with a lot of new makeup products, and I'm gonna do a full face using all e.l.f. products, which is going to be a very interesting video. So this is the first product that I'm going to talk about. This is the e.l.f. Camo Liquid Blush, and you guys already know about this blush. It is so good, but this time I picked this up in the shade Bold Faced Lilac, which is a beautiful lilac color. This is what it looks like. It matches my nail color, and this is Bold Faced Lilac right in front of you. Such a beautiful lilac color, but I'm very excited to see how this is gonna work, how this is gonna look. These are, I tried this formula before. These are extremely pigmented, a literal dupe of the Rare Beauty Liquid Blush. If you just want to get that formula, this product will be your best friend. It is so good. It's very lightweight, easy to blend, easy to use, something which I guess a lot of people will love, and they have a lot of shades as well, which is the best part. Literally for every single skin tone. They have deeper shades for deeper skin tone. They have very light shades for extremely fair skin tone, and definitely a lot of shades for medium skin tone as well. So this is the new shade that they launched, and it contains a little bit of glitters. I can see, not a glitter, it contains a sheen to it, which I think will give that dewy glowy finish. And the next product is this e.l.f. Curl and Volume Mascara. I love a good mascara, and I'm very specific about my mascaras. I try a lot of mascaras, but I don't usually love them because they just don't work with my eyelash. Eyelash are very thin, very straight, so I need a good mascara which will curl them up, which will give volume. I guess this is a good product because it says that it's a curl plus volume mascara. I don't know how this is gonna work, but I'm very excited to try this out. This is what the product looks like. As you guys can see, they claim a lot. They say that it will give you that volume, it will curl your eyelash as well. This is the wand. I'm gonna definitely try this product in my next video, where I'm going to try out different products from e.l.f. So that will be a very interesting one here, but I think this product will work. My favorite mascara is the Huda Beauty One Coat Wow. Oh my god, what a beautiful mascara. And a very beautiful product, which is a lip balm from e.l.f. This is the Glow Reviver Melting Lip Balm, which is nourishing, gives a buttery balm texture. This is what the balm looks like. They come in different shades, a lot of different shades, but I picked up the shade Yummy Gummy, which is absolutely beautiful. I don't have a lip balm shade like this, and it's like a pinkish berry type of a color, which I think is really good. I'm just gonna open this up just to show you because I'm very interested to see how it looks. This is the lip balm. Wow, it is beautiful and contains a lot of product, which is insane. This is the lip balm, and here is the packaging. It's a usual packaging. Here you have the product. Wow, this color is absolutely beautiful. As I mentioned, it contains a berry type of a color. A quick swatch for you guys. I'm gonna try this out. Oh, this is very pigmented. This is what it looks like. Look at that color. I love a pigmented lip balm. Does contain a fruity smell, but it's not overpowering. I will definitely test this product out in my next video, but so far I think it's a very hydrating type of a formula. Yeah, very hydrating, non-sticky, I can feel that, and very thick and nourishing as well. The color turns into this sheer berry color once you swatch it well. Very natural looking. I really love how it looks. Yeah, this is the melting lip balm. It's going to give you a lot of glow, and it's going to nourish your lips as well. So let's see how it will work. Then I picked a lot of e.l.f. products in today's video, and some other brands as well. So this is the e.l.f. Smoky Eyeliner Eye Pencil, and I picked this up in the shade Vintage Denim. Oh my god, I'm so excited to try this one because I don't have a color like this. It's a blue eye pencil, but it's not your typical blue eye pencil. It's like a denim shade, which is really beautiful. And yeah, this is the color. I'm very excited to try this one. It is absolutely beautiful, and the name is so attractive. It's called the Vintage Denim, more like a navy blue shade. Another shade, which is a gray one. This is called Smoke Signal, which is a charcoal color, a gray charcoal color. Sometimes we want to make it very natural for your everyday or some kind of makeup look. You don't want a deep black kajal, you want something which is going to be very natural looking. You can always go with a gray kajal because a gray or a brown kajal gives you that natural type of a finish, but still it gives you that kajal finish. You can understand what I'm saying, but it's not that intense like your regular black kajal. I tried e.l.f. lip liners before, but this is a new shade. This is the lip liner. I picked this up in the shade Mocha Move, which is a neutral medium brown. This is what it looks like. A beautiful shade. I do have a lot of lip liners from e.l.f. Spill the Tea is my absolute favorite, and other brown shades as well. They have some amazing staying power, very long lasting, lasts throughout the day, and extremely affordable. These are for 300 rupees. Yeah, 300 rupees. And yeah, this is Mocha Move. The next product is from Maybelline. This is the newly launched Maybelline blush, the liquid blush that they recently launched for color. I'm very scared to try this out. Definitely this is going to be very pigmented, but yeah, this is the shade. I'm gonna try this out. If you want to see how it looks, definitely don't forget to follow me on Instagram so that I can try it for you. And mostly I try new products on my Instagram. I will upload it on my YouTube shorts as well. So yeah, this is the product from Maybelline, the liquid blush. Then I have another product which is a repurchase. I love repurchasing my favorite products because if you try so many new makeup products all the time, it's very hard for you to repurchase. So when I'm repurchasing it, it's definitely a good one. So this is the Inside Cosmetics Radiance Filter Glow Tint, which is beautiful. I tried this product before and I'm gonna try it out again. This is in the shade Medium Sand. This is like your Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. This is the product, as you guys can see, and when you open it like this, you get a wand. Very affordable, but it works like magic, which I love. This particular product gives you that beautiful flawless finish without making your skin look too much glittery. Contains a little bit coverage, so you can definitely cover your skin with it. If I compare this with the e.l.f. Halo Glow filter as well, I will say this works better than the e.l.f. one, because the e.l.f. one is good. It contains a lot more glowiness than this, but this gives you that perfect amount of glowiness, perfect amount of coverage that you need. You can even use this as your skin tint. I love this product so much. Skincare one, this is the cleansing oil from I'm From. This is a Korean brand, and I was looking for a cleansing oil and this is it. I have it. This is a newly launched product again, and I just love trying out different type of cleansing oil. Previously I was using Mixoon cleansing oil, and that is my #1 favorite. I talked about it as well. It's so beautiful. But this one from I'm From is absolutely insane. This is what the packaging looks like. You get, I think, 200 ml of product. Let me see. Yeah, 200 ml of product, and this costs for rupees 2,250, which is pretty good. Like, Korean products are usually very expensive. I want a cleansing oil which is not going to burn out my eyes. I hate that feeling. I just hate that. That's why I'm very picky about my cleansing oil as well. I just can't use a regular cleansing oil which is going to burn out my eyes. That's why I love using something very mild for my skin, also for my eyes as well. Also got these eyeshadow sticks from Colourpop. I'm very interested to see how this will work. Why I picked these eyeshadow sticks? Because I think this particular one from Colourpop is going to be a great dupe of the NARS eyeshadow stick. NARS recently launched eyeshadow sticks and they have this color called Orgasm, but I think this shade Friday Feels will be a very close dupe of it. Just look at this beautiful color. So I'm definitely going to try this out. I tried the Orgasm one and I know how it looks. This is what Friday Feels looks like, and as you guys can see, it's a very close dupe of the NARS Orgasm one. It contains that particular sunsetty type of color, which is a mix of pink, orange, coral, yellow, you know, golden shades. It's a beautiful shade. So yeah, that's why I picked it up, and I saw this color as well. This is in the shade Cocktail Party and I loved this one. This is the perfect nude matte eyeshadow formula. This is what Cocktail Party looks like. If you want that nudish type of a color which is going to be super natural looking, I think this color is for you. Look at that. A very easy to do type of a finish, and these are extremely long lasting. I used I think Bare Nude, I think that was the name. I used it before and I know that these are very long lasting. First it will give you that creamy finish, and once you blend it out, it will be matte and it will stay there forever. It's so good. I also picked up these newly launched Teddy Tints. These are the new shades from Maybelline Superstay Teddy Tints. I picked up two different shades. One is 110 Faux Freckle, another one is 20, which is Mascara Tear. I have this on my lips, Mascara Tears. This is what it looks like. I already used it. It is so beautiful. I already filmed a reel, so if you want to see, definitely check out my Instagram. These are extremely good. A very controversial product. Some people love it, some people hate the formula. I personally love it, and if you don't love the formula, you can definitely try out so many other products in the market, but these are so good. It does not feel sticky at all. Like once it gets dry, it does not feel sticky. I think they reformulated it or something like that. These are extremely beautiful and contain such a beautiful colors collection, like pinks, reds, browns, so many different colors. Absolutely amazing. So yeah guys, this was my Nykaa haul. Definitely let me know if you want to see a try on version, or if you want any type of information, definitely let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for always supporting, and I love your comments guys. I always read them and it makes me so happy and motivated at the same time. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.